In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export PPT to PDF in WPS Office Mobile. This is a very practical feature, especially when you need to share your presentation in a format that looks the same on any device. Converting a presentation into a PDF helps preserve the layout, fonts, and overall design, making it easier for others to view or print your file without any issues. To get started, open the presentation you want to export inside the WPS mobile application. Make sure the file is fully opened and that all your slides look exactly the way you want them to appear in the final PDF. It is always a good idea to review your slides first because whatever is saved at this point is what will be converted. Once your presentation is ready, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap the diskette icon. This icon represents saving the file. Tapping it confirms that you are saving your current presentation and prepares it for export. After tapping the icon, you will be taken to the Save options where you can manage how and where the file will be stored. At this stage, you can change the file path if you want to save the PDF in a different location. This is useful if you like to organize your files into specific folders for work, school, or personal use. Take a moment to choose the location that is easiest for you to remember later. Next, pay attention to the file format. By default, you will most likely see the file set as a PPTX format. This is the standard format for presentations. To change this, tap the drop-down icon next to the file format. A list of available formats will appear on the screen. From that list, choose PDF. Selecting PDF tells WPS Office that you want to convert your presentation into a portable document format instead of saving it as a regular presentation file. After choosing PDF, look for the option that says Export as PDF and tap it. Once you tap Export as PDF, the application will process your file. Depending on the size of your presentation, this may take a few seconds. When the process is complete, your presentation will be successfully exported as a PDF and saved in the location you selected earlier. That is all there is to exporting a PPT to PDF in WPS Office. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.